So I don't know how much power I got left. Anyway, this is the 3500 series that we painted. I don't remember if I've made a video on it or not, but this was another budget paint job, you know, as most budget paint jobs are, especially for these equipment trucks. This was sprayed with Omni White, and it's got a, I forgot what brand quick coat. I think it has Omni Plus quick coat. Yep, Omni Plus. It's Omni White, GM White with Omni Plus quick coat, and this was a quick spraying. As you can see, it turned out great. It's been done about a year now. We painted the back end half is with tractor enamel. It's got a hydraulic lift on it too, comes in handy. Great running wheel truck, got a 350 throttle body in it, and 4L80E. Automatic too, yep. So I just want to do a quick little walk around of this little truck, you know, just show you. I don't know if you guys have seen it on the channel or not. That, you know, I don't remember. I got so many videos. If you have, let me know in the comment section. The insides look just as good. The insides is, you know, 1 out of 10. I give the insides probably a high 6. I mean, they're very nice for a work truck. If you can see inside, it needs cleaned out, but everything's nice. I don't have my keys on. I don't have the keys on me, so I can't show you the inside. It's locked up. But yeah, if you enjoyed this little walk around, let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy work trucks and stuff, let me know down below. If you enjoy videos like this, let me know.